Plan, follow, repeat. My all-time favorite. That's what I normally do. Is a lot of session also talking about how to make sure that do financial planning or follow and repeat. This I have been doing. This is my 26 years of my working, and I have been doing for 26 years. Of course, because Anil takes care of all, so I get 100% investment for myself. But I am trying to say plan, plan, and plan. That is very, very important. Most of us, we don't budget and plan. I keep telling all of us must have done, and I'm sure if you wanted to buy, even today being a weekend, if you wanted to go and watch a movie, you will do at least, I can bet you, for 15 minutes to see which theater to go, what movies are running, what time it is running, who all will go, and then they will ask what to eat. We are going for lunch time or dinner time or whatever. For a movie which is not even 1,000 to 2,000 rupees, we spend it 15 to 20 minutes. When we are talking about lifelong savings and we are talking about our goals, why we are not spending that much of budget and planning and expenses? Please do. That's very, very important. That is another things when we do in financial planning. I There is a one sheet called a cash flow where we write about the how much is your income and how much is your expense. When I ask a general question to everybody, how much you spend in a month? So my whatever the answer, let us say 50,000. I normally add 40-50% extra. So they say why? Then I go we have a standard question, so we keep asking those questions. And when it goes no, it's sometimes it's like a double the money what they're spending, because most of us, we never add our yearly things in a monthly. I'll give you example, especially for all of us whose kids are going to the school. Our school fees itself is coming like a 4 to 5 lakhs, and that comes on a yearly basis. So you need to convert that into the monthly. That all the festivals, the birthdays, the anniversaries, everything we spend on a yearly basis, or we are doing. I normally says, okay, how many people into the anniversary? This many celebrations. We don't convert into the monthly. We have our travels. It can be a small travel or vacation. We don't convert them into the monthly. So most of the time, make this monthly plan also, and then you have to see how much you can take care of it, especially now when the festival time is going on. Lot of people have been going over budget, so please, I request you all, there is nothing wrong. I keep teasing my mother also that God knows us better than us. You don't have to spend money because, okay, because of Diwali I have to buy such a good dress. I said you can buy even 500 rupees dress also. And that's the one good thing I always tell. It's like expectation setting. So this happens to me, this my birthday 2 months back. I came to office and somebody says, why you didn't wear the good new dress? And I said, no, actually I purchased the material. I didn't give for the tailoring and then didn't come. So that's the reason. And especially back to the square one, because you are plus size, you don't get a good thing. So I didn't give it. And he's saying, no, if I was in your place, I must have gone in midnight and got the new dress. And I was telling Anil, I never felt any bad that I'm not wearing a new dress. But all people around me was coming and telling, no, there is something is wrong because you're not wearing the good new dress. So forget it. Most of the time, have your own plans. Be happy what you feel. Invest 25%. Don't overgo above 40%. I am sure all of us slowly, I have seen this few. I am just trying to put it across as one of the point, even though it's not a part of it. Smriti, can you mute others, please? Emergency money is to put aside a little bit on a monthly, have it 6 months of your household into the emergency. Last few times we have seen, because people not having a medical cover properly, they have also lost a lot of money and borrowed a lot of money. Please take a good medical cover. Previously, people 3 to 5 lakhs people were okay, but now I have been telling that minimum 10 lakhs you should take for your medical cover, because I have seen people have means in a family 3 to 5 people have problem or they got a COVID, and 3 to 5 lakhs was too less because it's a family floater medical cover. So please do that. Of course, medical emergency, I have seen few, which I don't think so it's come under the debt trap kind of it. But yes, if you must have planned in advance, that question must have never come. Cut back your spending. Don't, there is a, I do webinars for value of money from the kids 7 to 14 and 14 to 19, okay? And that's a one homework kind of I give to them to write a needs versus want, okay? So I keep asking them what is a need and what is a want kind of it. So suddenly I'm realizing even the kids, what's supposed to be like a need and want, they will say no, that is a mandatory. Like I wanted a computer game, it's a very necessary, auntie. And I'm saying without that game also you can live, it's okay, you can go out with your friend and play something else. No. So this is the another definition we have to think in our mind, what is need and the want. This trend have changed last 3 years, which I have also seen not only in the kids, even adults. When I'm doing financial planning, previously including me, I used to feel vacation is always a want. If you have money, you go for a vacation. Or I'm talking about a larger longer vacation, going abroad with 4 to 6 lakhs a year. But now that is becoming a mandatory. I told one of my customer recently, because the vacation is too high, it's impacting retirement. She said, it's okay, Rachna. When we are retired, we don't have a time, money, energy to go. Let us see when retirement comes, how it's impacting us, but let us continue the vacation. So this is comes under lifestyle. Okay. So personally, my intention is to tell you, your thought is this is my need or a want. And I'm not saying somebody is right or somebody is wrong. Everybody is right in their own perspective. I am no one to say somebody's lifestyle, it's right or wrong. You are the best judge, and try to find it out to, if I am in doing in this lifestyle, can I sustain or not? Rent versus buy. It's a very, very common things comes for a home, second home. It can be vehicle, going for anything. There is nothing wrong to have a rent. I'm when you go abroad, because of my previous job, I have gone more than 48 countries, and I can tell you this is so common there where people buy seconds. Okay. And here people used to think, now at least trend is changing again. You know, if you're buying a second hand, it is not good, or it is renting is not good. It's fair enough. So normal question comes in home. I will take a second home. I'll do the rent, and 1 crore house is giving me only 20,000 or 30,000 of the rent. When I take care of your all the maintenance and other real estate person to give the 1 month charges, it's a 10 months rent. It's not even yielding you 2%. And actually the full real estate is also not grown more than 5 to 6%. You realize that last 8 years, actually, that if I must have put it in saving banks, it must have given me more. So sometimes we should do these exercise ourselves and make sure to stick to the plan. Most of the time, we make a plan very nicely. We start executing, thank God, but we don't want it to stick. We just deviate. We will just say no, because what happens, we keep getting all these noises from around. When you're getting from noise from around, your mind started thinking differently. Okay, this is the another behavior science. I have normally a session, we will give it to you. It's a very, it's a behavior science kind of it. So this is a story of that ant. I'm sure all of you must have heard that they said all the ants to go to the top of the hill, and everybody was around and they're saying how they can go, it is so far, they are so small and all. Only one ant reached till top, and then they started asking that ant what, why that ant only went, because that ant was a deaf. She never heard the negative things what other was telling. So similarly, when we have a plan, execute it. Don't bother what others are saying. As long as your concepts are clear, nothing happens. I keep telling everybody, please try to stick to the concept. The concept is very clear. Think long term, have discipline investment, you will overcome. Of course, when last but not the least, we're talking about loans and the debt, and some debts are good. Yesterday itself, in the night financial planning, they have enough financial assets. They have 4 crore, as I told you, the loan. They don't need to, because there is no other dependent person and all. But it is good I can say recommended to take a term cover, which is because now it's one of the cheap till you're outstanding. So normally nowadays, because it's the old one, new home loan bankers, they give the term cover also, which is equivalent to your loans. So you make sure that it is being taken care of.